tayo na gumawa ng WordPress site using a sandbox. Particularly using qsandbox.com. So, kailangan mag-sign up muna kayo. It's free. So, magkakaroon siya ng parang test site, alright? So, what you do, ilagay niyo yung pangalan niyo. Kasi, i-check ko yan. So, I'll be checking your site one by one. Wala akong pakialam kung kadami niyo masyado or kukonti lang kayo, but I need to check it. Kasi, when you finish this course, I'm pretty sure na you will want to know more or magiging magaling na kayo, or howd sa Bisaya ba? Magiging magaling na kayo gumawa ng beginner WordPress sites. Alright? So, let's start with naming my site or subdomain. MyDeBarrientos and then add site. And then it will be, just wait for a couple of minutes. While waiting, pwede kayong kumanta, pwede kayong i-check nyo yung niluluto nyo, or ano ba, or look at your Facebook for updates from your friends. So, yun. Pero ako usually binabantayan ko talaga yan. So, yun, meron na tayong sandbox, di ba? So, it's mydebarrientos.qsandbox.com. Okay, so when you try logging in, yung una nyong kailangan i-click is yung admin. It automatically, nababasa naman dyan, di ba? It automatically logs you into WordPress admin area of that site. So, let's try logging in. Okay, so naka-login na tayo, right? Punta kayo kagad dito sa installed plugins. So, wala kang makikita ng mga plugins, right? So, let's try adding. Di ba meron akong list? I'm pretty sure kasama doon ng Jetpack. So, let's try installing it. But, alam mo, merong trick dyan eh. Merong trick dito. If you want to install a lot of plugins in one sweep, dalawang po pwede nyo gawin. Either pumasok kayo sa cPanel nya and i-drop nyo lahat yung mga zip files doon sa kanyang, how do you call this, WP-content, or pwede nyo gamitin ang Manage WP. What is Manage WP? This is another free tool, so please try to add it to your notes. So, Manage WP. Manage WP can handle all your websites, updates, and it can also serve as your parang control panel sa lahat ng WordPress sites nyo. It is extremely helpful to those na maraming sites na gagawin or maraming sites na minamanage. Like for example kami, ito ano pa lang namin to, amin pa lang to. But we do manage like 1,000 sites. So we use Manage WP extensively. So right now, let's to add Manage WP. Simple lang. Ang gagawin nyo lang is lahat sa akin simple, no? Alright. Sorry. Alam mo kasi pag matagal ka nang gumagawa nito, parang sa akin simple lang, and then pagdating sa inyo, paano na ginawa yun? So, I'm trying to be as simple as I can. Sana if ever na meron kayong mga questions, ibato nyo lang dun sa forum natin. May specific forum kasi kada isang course eh. So, yun. Let's try adding the worker plugin. This is the Manage WP worker. Install mo lang to. Activate it. Okay? Medyo matagal siya. And then, click nito. Ito nakikita nyo? Yung view details. I-click nyo yung view details. And then, it will take you to ay, sorry. Mali pala. Sorry, hindi. Ito, sorry. Jetpack pala to. My God. Ang aking, parang hindi na kaya ng parang kailangan ko ng bagong glasses. Itong connection management pala. I'm really sorry. So, click connection management. And then, you will see a connection key. Now, you copy it. And then, please take note of the URL. It's mythebarrientos.qsandbox.com, diba? So, i-add natin siya dito sa ating Manage WP. Manage WP is free. So, sign up ka and then just add the website. So, for example, mythebarrientos.qsandbox.com. Alright? So, add website and then use the connection key and then paste the connection key and then add website. Medyo matagal lang establishing connection because this is a free site and this is using a subdomain. So, kumanta ka muna. Tagal, ano? So, okay. So, let's click this. Go to website dashboard. Alright. So, from here, ito medyo, ano na to medyo, actually, hindi to pang beginner kasi I'm showing you the tricks already. What you do is activate whatever is free. So, you activate backups. Activate it. Okay. Demise. Ano ba yung pwede natin i-activate ito? Security. Activated. This is an on-demand security. Performance 10. Activated. This is an on-demand performance check. Ibig sabihin on-demand. Pag gusto mo siyang i-run, pwede mo siyang i-run. And then, I think that's it. But we can, pwede natin okay. So, let's go to the plugins. So, as you can see, nakikita nyo dito, di ba? So, meron tayong plugins and things. So, pwede nyong i-manage from here yung mga kailangan nyong plugins. And usually, ang nangyayari is, yung mga na-star yung mga plugins, which is what I did, is the ones I install first. Yung mga necessary talaga to ng mga plugins na kailangan kong install. So, I activate this one, I activate Yoast, I activate WooCommerce kasi for example, gawa na tayo ng shop natin, 'di ba? Kahit na simple lang 'to, let's make it look like an expert did it. All right? So let's say install. This one is also important. And hindi na yan kailangan. Ito, usually, kailangan to sa mga sites na hindi siya talaga naka-HTTP. So, you need to install it kung yun ang nangyayari sa site niya. Hindi siya naka-secure. This one also, but for now, wag muna. And then, the analytics. What else? Ito. Super Cache. Diba? Alright, I think that's it. That's it. So, what we have, yan, ito naman, napupuno-puno na. Once na na-add din, makikita nyo yun dito eh. So, makikita nyo yun dito. Hintayin nyo lang. Again, kumanta na naman kayo. Or, pwede muna kayo magluto. Ayun. Ay. Ang nangyari? Okay. Nag-ano siya. Nag-update. Okay, so, when we go to your sandbox site, kapag i-refresh niyo, makita niyo, ayan na. Ayan na siya. Okay? So, alright. Paano natin ngayon ano yan? Paano naman ngayon ang settings niyan? Okay? So, that's another video, I think. For now, gawin niyo muna. Okay?